Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to do a day in the life today, again. Now, I did want to do like how I edit my videos and everything, but I thought I might as well just make it into a day in the life. So I'm going to show you everything I do, living my little day. And it has changed from the last time we've done this, so it's going to be good, it's going to be sick. And yeah, so today, we've got to give a parcel back at 1 or something. It's now like 11:30. And then we've got to go to the gym as well. I've literally just got out of the shower, ate my breakfast because you don't need to see that, it's bullshit. And yeah, I cleaned my room a bit messy. And now I'm gonna go get changed. So I'll try and vlog a bit at the gym if I can. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I've had this headset for about 2 years now. I didn't think it would split. I'm just opening now. Oh my god. Oh, not a good day. So the headset are fucked. Not fucked, I'm gonna use them, but like, yeah, it's just a pain in the ass. Why would it split? They're done good though, them. I just like them. But yeah, cut to me either at the gym or after the gym. Or eating food, because that's what I love doing in the day. But yeah, guys, watch to the end, like and subscribe. I forgot to say that. Comment, do it all, and I'll see you guys when I'm doing something. Hello, we've just made it to the gym now. I'll try and film as much as I can in there. If not, yeah, and I'll see you guys in a bit. We have just got out the gym. We've got a bike at home now. So I will see you when I get back. We're actually going to do some work when we get back. And yeah, let's not look like a dickhead in public speaking to my phone. So I'll see you guys in about 10-15 minutes when I've biked at home. Peace. Right, we are gonna go get food now because I'm so hungry. I'm on a bike, we're going Morrison's to get some chicken. And yeah, when we get back, I'll show you a bit more what we're doing and how we're doing it. Bosh. We are finally back home after a long fucking gym session. That was too long, if anything. Right, I'm gonna show you my little to-do list thing that I've got and what we've got planned for the rest of the day. So we're making this video. We also post, I'm gonna show you a bit more later, but I'm gonna give you a brief example of what we do. So on Instagram Reels, on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, we post 3 minimum posts a day. Obviously not one after, you know, each other, to spread out through the day. And if you've got a video, we post them clips as well. So you post like 6, maybe 7 a day, sometimes. Now, what this does is it also gets us more views, obviously. It's getting us out there. You know, people from TikTok might come to the YouTube, subscribe, do whatever. Yeah, we also just make these videos, you know. I think we're on about 2-3 videos a week, which ain't too bad. I do want to up that, but like there's nothing to make videos of, and I don't want to bore you too much. I want this content to be fun, enjoyable, and yeah. But that's basically my short video post schedule. And on my to-do list, I've got, you know, post a TikTok shorts, whatever, in the morning, so it's got to be morning, evening, and night. Now they're the 3 that I do have to post, and then I just post also in between sometimes if I feel like it or want to. So we've already done 1 post for this morning on Instagram and TikTok. So I'm gonna go do another one right now. Can't film it because, you know, I've only got 1 phone. I'm not fucking, I'm not a fucking millionaire yet. So I'm gonna go film that and then I'll get back to you. Hello everyone, so I'm gonna show you right now how I edit my short videos. So let's say I've just recorded a video like this. Now, what I'll do is I'll put the whole thing in Canva. I'll show you right now. So I'll put the whole video in camera. I just copy and paste it, put another clip right above it, blur it out so it doesn't look too short, just an average, you know, clip. And then I'll add captions if I want, but I'll just pick things from the whole video, cut it to where I want, and then just include the fun bits, make it good, and that's about it for shorts. When I make a YouTube video, I just do that 3-4 clips per video, depending on how long it is. And then I just post them, schedule them through the day when the video is going live to get more views. Now, how do I record and film and everything, all my videos? So you can see there's a tripod behind me. I use it a lot. Now, when I'm finished making the video, I upload all the clips from my phone to Google Drive, download them from my PC, so I've got them all there. I'll show you how I've edited it. I use a DaVinci Resolve because it's just free and just fucking so good. Now this clip's got a bit of dead clips here, but I'll show you a brief edit. Let me show you. So I think this was the United one. So basically, you know, you're gonna get a whole massive clip. I just cut out shit that doesn't need to be included at all. I also think about when I'm doing this, I also think, you know, what's gonna get my viewer retention up, what's not, what can be involved, what can't. So I have to think about a lot editing a video. Now, the editing itself is so basic. I just cut, maybe add some music, maybe fucking, you know, add some text if I need to. But that's about it for DaVinci Resolve. And also when you're filming, make sure you look at the hook. So the first like minute of the video is gonna really draw the viewer in to what they're watching. You know, if it's like, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Can you hit the subscribe button? You know, they're probably gonna click off the video. Whereas, you know, if you give them something to watch, maybe a preview, they're gonna wanna watch more. I'm also gonna show you how I make my thumbnails. Now, these are a little bit, you know, like, you just have to do a lot to make them, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna give you the tools, what I use and everything. So let me show you now. So this is the thumbnail that I have made in the past. I think it's on one of my videos now. It should be on the A/B testing, so it's on one of the videos somewhere. But I make all this from scratch. Every single bit of it is, you know, all these layers. Now, what I do is obviously I get my face and I go to this app. I'll show you now. So you type up background remover, scroll down because I don't know what's here. It's called Photo Room. Now, let's say let me find an image first so it's not gonna be weird. One sec. Right, so let's say this image right here. I want the background removed. It's gonna remove the background for me. And then you can either edit or download. So if you go to edit, there's a lot of things that you can do on this app. You know, you can do a reflection, you can transform, adjust, blur, filter, all these things. And then you've got some things up here. And if you pay more, you get more, obviously. So this is what I use to, you know, cut my face out properly. Then obviously for these things in the back, I just got a square or rectangle, whatever it is, curve the edges by doing that and curving the edges. And then, yeah, I just put everything that's on YouTube, the font and everything. And yeah, just make it from scratch. So what I normally do is I normally get another picture of a good thumbnail on my other screen. I don't copy it. I just take bits from it and put it into my own thing, because you can make whatever you want. You know, just do it from scratch. It's going to take a bit longer, but it's going to be worth it because it's your design. Something that you've made. You've not just gone, you know, copy and paste someone else's fucking work. But how I take these photos with my trusty little tripod, I just sit on the end of my bed there, right there. Or I just sit up in the chair but put this thing back so it doesn't get caught in the background. I just scoot this back and then sit up straight so it's not there. And then I'll just take a picture, pull some funny faces, make sure the lighting's good. And then, yeah. But when you're making your thumbnails and you're getting pictures of yourself doing that, make sure you have emotion on your face. Because let's say if I'm just like this, what's that showing? Nothing. If it's something excited and I'm like this, people are gonna think, wow, he's making a funny face, let's click on it. Or if it's funny, like laugh or something like that. I don't know how to pull the face, something like that anyway, something like that, that'll work. So depending on what video you're making, make sure you have an emotion on your face showing. Otherwise the thumbnail's gonna be shit. Trust me, look at all my other thumbnails are so bad. This one's good. I don't know about the views and not the looks at any of the views, but yeah. So I use Canva to make it all, and Photo Room. Now, with these as well, if I want a background of a rich apartment or something, type up on Google, find one that's not copyright, then I just copy and paste it here, edit it, you know, zoom it in, blur it, do whatever I want to do. It's all on Canva, it's easy. You don't have to go on Photoshop and make some fucking, you know, animatronic fucking, you know, really good thumbnail. Don't have to be that deep. It's just, you know, show emotion, show what the video's about, and people will click on it, make it click worthy. But also, with the thumbnail, it also needs a good title as well. Otherwise, people are not going to click, because people read nowadays. I don't know why. No one's ever liked reading, but people read nowadays. So yeah, if you've got a somewhat decent thumbnail, just like that one, that was all right. If you want to use that, you can use that, put it on another screen, screenshot it, whatever, and just take things from it. It's good. But yeah, you don't have to deep things. Look at all my thumbnails. If you want to use any of them, just, you know, copy and paste. Well, not copy and paste, but, you know, make it your own. Yeah. If any of you do need help with any of that, join my Discord server. It's going to be in the description, and I'll answer any questions you have, and I'll even talk you through it if you really want me to, on, you know, full in-depth tutorial kind of thing on how to edit your videos, thumbnails, everything, titles. Because it all really does matter. Now I'm gonna tick some things, that's the word, off my to-do list now. So what have I done today, guys? I'm making a YouTube video. I've done that. I don't even so I think I've done most of it. Let me take it off really quick. The only thing that I do need to do is Spanish and, you know, some theory, because I've got it in a week. I've got my theory test, so that should be fun. I can drive then, hopefully, after I've, you know, passed that actual driving test. But yeah. Now, you've probably heard me loads speak about ChatGPT, but basically I use this a lot as well, just for video ideas, not, you know, for the actual title. I don't just copy and paste, you know, ChatGPT things. I just tweak it a bit, make it my own. You know, it just helps me, you know, think in a different place, getting better ideas, or just get an idea in general. Yeah. But if you are looking to start YouTube and you want to make decent, good content, what I do every day is I just look at my past videos, look at all the results that have been generated from YouTube of, like, you know, retention, viewer, impressions, all that shit. I'll look into it, see which videos are the best. I'll make more of the videos that's some of the best, obviously. And if you're struggling for video ideas, just go on ChatGPT. You know, it'll give you some good ideas. You can even use them. So yeah, that's basically what I do. Right now, I'm gonna go make another TikTok, because I'm grinding these so much because I want more views. And a video of mine comes out in 6 minutes, I think. Yes, 6 minutes. So we got a YouTube video coming out in 6 minutes. That was scheduled the other day. Now, I will tell you, a lot of my things are scheduled. Every single video I make, I schedule it for a different day. Now, it helps because when you upload a video on YouTube, your video has to render in 4K or whatever you've done it in. So it gives it time to render fully and, you know, go through all the copyright checks and everything. So make sure you always schedule a video for the next day, or, like, you know, 12 hours, you know, after you've uploaded it. So what I'm gonna do now is, because my video is uploaded in 6 minutes, I'm gonna get some clips. I've already scheduled them on TikTok and Instagram. I need to upload one more on YouTube Shorts, and they're all scheduled for when the video launches. One is, then an hour after, then an hour after that. So they're all spaced out quite a bit, and then I'm gonna add another TikTok on top of that. So it's quite a busy schedule of videos, and you might be thinking, you know, this is too much, but it's really not. It's not hard work. All you have to do is schedule videos. Do it the day before, do everything the day before, ready for the, you know, when the video is gonna come out, and you don't have no stress. You know, you're not waiting. You just, well, you are waiting, but you're not, like, struggling to post it on time. All you gotta do is schedule and wait. And that's the best thing about YouTube. You can fucking schedule for the next week, a month, a year. So good. Now, also, the reason why I'm making this video is because my day in the life right now is not great. As you can probably see by this video, it's a bit all over the place. I used to have a schedule, and that's just gone out the window. So I need to get it back somehow. I woke up at about 12 today, which was horrendous. So didn't start the day off to a good start, but yeah, I want to see this time next year whether I've changed it or become about a better person. This is for me, this video, really. But yeah, let me get my work done. As you can see right here, scheduled for 21st of Jan. So every video that you post, you want to make 3 thumbnails. Now the reason for this is now I'm going to show you. Let me turn the camera around. So as you can see here, A/B testing. So if I wanted to create a new test, I'm not going to do that because it's always already free running. Let me get a video that's actually been through this. So this video has been through it. Now if I look at the reports, now I don't think this is 100% accurate, but it's good to give, you know, viewers different thumbnails so they might click. That's the only reason why I prefer using this. Now it says, you know, that one's preferred 51%. I don't think this is accurate, like I say, but you know, it's just worth trying it because you might get more people clicking because, you know, you're showing 3 different thumbnails. Now sometimes what I change is only the background. Sometimes I just make a whole new thumbnail. Really depends. Just depends on what video I'm making, how hard it is for a thumbnail to make, because obviously different videos are easier depending on what you're talking about and what it is. But yeah, every video that I post has 3 thumbnails that are getting shown out, except from my oldest 3 videos. I didn't put one at all because I just didn't know how it worked. So if nothing was scheduled for today, like I had no, like let's say I had a video but no other videos are scheduled on TikTok or Instagram, what I'll be doing right now is I'll go into CapCut, like I mentioned before, and just putting the whole video in there and cutting up 3 sections or 4 or 5, however many clips I can get out of the video. Then I'll just, you know, render them, schedule them. That's all I do. So that is that. So now all I do is wait and just I'll let my Discord server know, I'll let, you know, the YouTube community know that the video's actually gone live. It gets me a bit more views, and yeah, that's all I do. And I will edit a video, you know, in a minute of my next post. Another thing that I always do, because I'm on YouTube, always looking to do better, is I'll just go on my recommended page, look at the thumbnails, look at the titles, look at the description, everything. And yeah, I just analyse, see what I can do better, see what I can, you know, how I can get better views, you know, what they're doing differently to me. Obviously, they've already got a community going, but how did they do it? I'm constantly looking at everything. So I have somewhat of an idea of, you know, how to make a good video. And yeah, so that's what I do. That's what I'm going to spend the next 10 minutes doing. So as you know, yeah, we do run that Go Up business. So we're going to go reach out some businesses now on the good old Facebook. Now, it does have a limit of like 50 messages. So that's a bit of a bummer, but it just means we've got 50 messages to try really hard at and hopefully get a client. So yeah, let's do that. We've just finished doing all that. I've just learned a bit of Spanish. We've only got one more thing, and that thing is to do my theory test. So I'm going to do that later on tonight anyway, because it's not that late at the moment. I've got a bit more to do. I think I'm going to go downstairs and just chill for a bit now because I'm quite tired, as I did not get any sleep last night, which was a bomber. And I need more food because I'm so hungry. One thing I will say before I go downstairs is I have been journaling as well, which is sick. I think everyone should do it. And I do speak about it in the video that I posted last before this. It's so good. Do it. You'll love it. So everyone, I am going now. My sister has asked me to play Roblox with her. So we're going to go do that for a bit. And that's probably it for today, if I'm being honest. It's not the best routine. We're going to change it. But hopefully you learned something. Like if you want to start YouTube, hopefully you learn a bit more. If you want to learn more and want me to go into more, you know, in-depth detail about, you know, YouTube and thumbnails and editing and all that, make sure to join my Discord server. Just ask me any questions there. I'll respond. And I'll respond in the comments section as well. But if you did like and subscribe. And I shall see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.